Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start playing the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your device and you will be asked to enter your date of birth. After providing this information, tap on the continue button and then accept the terms and conditions. This will now take you into the game and the very first tutorial level will begin right away. Just complete the first level. And you can also tap on the fast forward button at the top right corner to speed up the tutorial level. Then you can just restart your game to gain access to the main menu. Now you can tap on the cloud icon at the bottom left corner to register your email address so that you can set up your account online. If you tap on this button, you will need to log into your EA account. Just enter your EA account email address and then tap on send code. Or you can also create your new account if you wish to do so by tapping on create account. By this process, you can have your account registered with your EA Games account. Just enter your desired email address in order to sign up and then tap on create account and then check the email address to receive the verification code. After you enter the verification code, your account will be linked to your Plants vs Zombies 2 game. And now all of your progress will be saved within this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and start playing the Plants vs Zombies 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.